This car gets rowdy. Oh, for me? Oh, thank you. All right, we got the saddle measurement. Let it rip. You want gloves, Randy? Oh, did he just tell him that to pull your leg? Oh, he doesn't have gloves. Beggars can't be choosers, Randy. Oh, there you go. That'll work. All right, it's time to get rowdy. Oh, hold on. Oh, we got gloves. Oh. Lord and Savior, Randy. Oh my God. All right, punch her.